Hello and welcome to our tiny garden. My name is Paula. I am a passionate microbiologist and biotechnologist, and I am a lover of gardening. You all know by now that on this channel we explore the fascinating science behind organic cultivation. We talk about everything organic cultivation, from the uses of organic fertilizers, how to make them. I have made a bunch of them in my previous videos, and how to control pests and diseases biologically. Now in this video we are going to be discussing how to take care or to control downy mildew, and most importantly, what is the difference between downy mildew and powdery mildew, and how do we take care of it. So without any further ado, please let's get into the video.
Downy mildew is a plant disease that manifests as yellow, brown or grayish spots on the undersurfaces of leaves. It has a distinctive white downy growth on the undersides. This disease is caused by fungus called as oomycetes, which is a class of fungus-like microorganisms. It is important for us to differentiate between downy mildew from other look-alike diseases because it is crucial for effective management. One of those diseases is powdery mildew. This is usually caused by true fungi, and it presents itself as white powdery spots on both sides of the leaves. The other disease is botrytis blight, which is also known as grey mold, and this one appears as grey fuzzy mold on stems, flowers and also the leaves. The other look-alike disease is bacterial leaf spot. This is caused by various bacteria, and it results in water-soaked, often angular spots without the downy growth as seen in downy mildew. Anthracnose is also another look-alike disease, and this one is also caused by fungal pathogens, and it leads to dark sunken lesions on leaves, stems and fruits. Lastly, we have another look-alike disease which we call rust diseases, and these ones are usually caused by rust fungi. They create rust-colored pustules on the undersides of leaves. Recognizing these differences is very important, as it is the key to diagnosing and controlling plant diseases effectively. The common symptoms of downy mildew include yellow, brown or grayish spots on the upper surfaces of leaves. Now, these spots are usually bordered by a yellow halo, and as the disease progresses, these spots can merge, leading to extensive leaf discoloration and necrosis. On the undersides of the leaves, you will see a characteristic white, downy or fluffy fungal growth appearance. This is usually seen in humid conditions. Infected leaves may curl, wilt and eventually drop prematurely. Downy mildew can also affect other plant parts such as stems, flowers and fruit, causing similar discoloration and moldy growth. This disease often will lead to stunted growth, reduced vigor and of course decreased crop yields. Downy mildew can be controlled effectively by the use of microorganisms, and one of those is Ampelomyces quisqualis. This is a mycoparasitic fungus that is classified within the phylum Ascomycota. It is usually used as a biological control agent against powdery mildew, but it also exhibits activity against downy mildew. The mode of action of Ampelomyces quisqualis involves parasitizing the mycelium, which is the network of fungal threads and the spores of the mildew pathogens. When applied to the infected plants, it penetrates the mildew's hyphae, which is the long branching structures of the fungus, and the conidiophores, which are the specialized fungal structures that produce spores, and consumes the fungal cytoplasm. This is basically the internal contents of the fungal cells, and therefore it disrupts the pathogen's reproductive structures. This parasitism weakens and eventually kills the mildew, reducing the severity of the infection and limiting its spread. Ampelomyces quisqualis products are typically packaged as wettable powders, liquid suspensions or granules, and they are designed to be mixed with water and applied as a spray. In the garden, you need to prepare the mixture according to the package instructions and then apply it during early morning or late afternoon for optimal effectiveness. Use a sprayer to evenly cover the plants, especially the undersides of leaves where downy mildew thrives. Apply every 7 to 14 days as needed based on infection severity. It is important for you to wear protective gear during application and store the product in a cool, dry place. The other way you can beat downy mildew organically is by the use of naringin. Naringin is a flavonoid compound and is found naturally in citrus fruits. Naringin exhibits antifungal properties against downy mildew, and its mode of action involves disrupting the cell membrane integrity of the mildew pathogens, leading to a leakage of cellular contents and eventual cell death. Naringin also interferes with the fungal enzyme activity and spore germination, further inhibiting the growth and the spread of the pathogen. This natural compound offers a promising eco-friendly alternative to chemical fungicides for managing downy mildew in plants. Naringin products are typically packaged as soluble powders, liquid concentrates, or even capsules, and they are designed to be mixed with water for garden use. To apply, you need to mix the product with water according to the instructions and spray the solution evenly on all plant surfaces, especially the undersides of leaves, during early morning or late afternoon. Apply every 7 to 14 days based on infection severity, and it's important for you to also wear protective gear during application and definitely store the product in a cool, dry place. And finally, you can manage downy mildew by the use of oils, and one of those oils is thyme oil, which is an essential oil extracted from the herb thyme. It is classified within the essential oils category. It contains active compounds such as thymol and carvasrol, which possess strong antifungal properties. Thyme oil's mode of action against downy mildew involves disrupting the fungal cell membrane, leading to cell lysis and death. It also inhibits spore germination and mycelial growth by interfering with a fungal enzyme activity. It is applied as a foliar spray, and it effectively reduces downy mildew infection and spread, offering a natural and eco-friendly alternative to chemical fungicides.
And there you have it. Now you have all the information that you need on downy mildew, how to identify it, and most importantly, how to prevent it and how to manage it biologically. If you liked this video, please do give it a thumbs up and do share this with someone who might be interested in this kind of content. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so. Until the next video, happy gardening, enjoy your gardens, and I'm going to enjoy my harvest. Bye bye.